Hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpies decrease with increase in ionic sizes. Consider the alkali metal ions, lithium ion, sodium ion, potassium ion, rubidium ion and cesium ion. We know that as we move down the group, the atomic radii as well as ionic radii increases. So among the alkali metal ions, lithium ion is the smallest ion. Since lithium ion is the smallest ion, it will get heavily hydrated and hence lithium ion will be having maximum degree of hydration, or the hydration enthalpy will be maximum for lithium ion. It is because lithium ion is the smallest ion. Let us now discuss about the physical properties of alkali metals. Alkali metals are light metals. They have large size and hence they have low density. Alkali metals are associated with low melting and boiling points. Alkali metals have low melting and boiling points because they have weak metallic bonding. And why is the metallic bonding weak in the case of alkali metals? It is because a single electron, that is single valence electron, is involved in metallic bonding. Hence, they are associated with lower melting and boiling points. Alkali metals and salts impart color to the flame. They impart characteristic color to the flame. For example, sodium imparts yellow color to the flame, lithium imparts crimson red color to the flame, potassium imparts violet color to the flame. So why do alkali metals impart color to the flame? It is because the electron gets excited to higher energy level, and the excited electron, when it comes back to the ground state, there will be emission of radiation in the visible region. So this is the reason why alkali metals and salts impart color to the flame. Now when alkali metals are irradiated with light, light will be absorbed by the atom and it makes the atom, that is alkali metal atom, lose electron. Now what is this phenomenon known as? When light falls on certain metals like potassium or cesium, we know that electrons will be ejected from the surface of the metal, and the phenomenon is known as photoelectric effect. Therefore, alkali metals like cesium and potassium are used in photoelectric cells. Let us now discuss the chemical properties of alkali metals. First one, reactivity towards air. Alkali metals get tarnished in air. It is due to the formation of oxide. Oxides react with moisture to form hydroxides. Lithium reacts with oxygen to give lithium monoxide Li2O, whereas sodium reacts with oxygen to give sodium peroxide Na2O2. Potassium, rubidium and cesium reacts with oxygen to give superoxide. This potassium reacts with oxygen to give potassium superoxide KO2. The oxidation state of alkali metals in oxides is found to be +1. For example, consider lithium monoxide Li2O. In Li2O, the oxidation state of oxygen is -2, that of lithium is +1. Now consider sodium peroxide Na2O2. In peroxides, oxygen exhibits an oxidation state of -1. So in sodium peroxide, the oxidation state of sodium is +1. Now consider potassium superoxide KO2. In superoxides, oxygen exhibits an oxidation state of -1/2, and hence in potassium superoxide, the oxidation state of potassium is +1. Thus the oxidation state of alkali metals in oxides is +1. Lithium forms lithium monoxide. Lithium also reacts with nitrogen to give lithium nitride Li3N. We know that alkali metals are highly reactive. Sodium is a highly reactive metal. Since alkali metals are highly reactive, they are stored in kerosene. Reactivity towards water. Alkali metals react vigorously with water. The products formed are the corresponding hydroxide and hydrogen. The reaction is so vigorous, it is exothermic, and hydrogen gas evolved will catch fire. Now how can we write the reaction equation showing the reaction of sodium with water? 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus hydrogen. Sodium reacts even with cold water, which shows that sodium is a highly reactive metal. The reaction of lithium with water is less vigorous than that of sodium. Why is it so? It is due to the small size of lithium, and because of the small size, lithium has very high hydration enthalpy. We know that the smaller ions will get heavily hydrated. A large amount of energy will be released as hydration enthalpy. So lithium, because of its small size, lithium ion has smaller size and hence it has very high hydration enthalpy. Alkali metals react explosively with water, which shows that the reaction is highly exothermic in nature. Let us now discuss the reactivity towards hydrogen. Alkali metals react with hydrogen to form hydrides. These hydrides are ionic compounds, or they are ionic in nature. These hydrides have high melting points. For example, if we consider sodium, it reacts with hydrogen to give the hydride sodium hydride NaH.